Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy and today we're going to do a quick review on the Wet n Wild Keep Going Pump collection. I guess it's their gym on the go, not fussy kind of makeup collection that they introduced I think earlier in January. And this little product right here, I didn't want to get the whole line because I just simply didn't need it. But I was interested in trying to get an eyeshadow crayon stick. I haven't had much luck with liquid eyeshadows. I mean, the Stila ones aside, just some kind of like easy grab and go kind of smudge on the eye and be done with it kind of ones. I really hadn't found any, but the shade I have right here is called Mud Run, and it's this kind of like coppery brown, and it's what I actually have on my eyes today. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this on my hand for you. So this is the shade, and I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of how you can use your finger to easily kind of smoke it out. So in terms of this being kind of an easy on the go kind of a shadow, you don't need makeup tools to use it, I don't think. Obviously, if you use a brush, something like this, it is going to blend out a little bit better, and that's kind of what I did up here. And this is a Morphe M514, so the bristles are a little coarse, and I like it to just kind of like move the product around. But truly, once it sets down, it really does set. It does not budge. You've got to use some makeup remover to get this off, quite honestly. But a little bit of information about the product itself. It's $4.99. I myself found it at CVS, but apparently it's also available at Walgreens. And you can buy it at wetnwild.com. It's not available in Ulta from what I was able to see today. It is waterproof, sweatproof, it stays put. It comes in 6 different shades, and I'll go ahead and insert a picture of those right now. They all have a little bit of a pearlescent to them, which is the one thing I was a little iffy about. I was hoping that some of these would be matte, just because I don't like to put a pearlescent or shimmery stuff all over my eye all the time. But this one does prove to blend out quite nicely, so I actually don't mind. Now, this look for me is a little bit different. I'm just used to putting 5,000 different eyeshadows on, but for a quick, like, you're in a hurry, you gotta go, do your makeup really quick kind of a moment, I actually quite like this. Although, even though they're kind of marketing this as a workout collection, most of the shades that they have, as you've just seen, are pretty like in your face. And quite honestly, if I'm gonna try and like sneak in a little bit of light makeup into a workout, it's not gonna be vibrant purple. I'm just throwing that out there. That's not what I'm gonna do. Maybe that's somebody else's life, but I guess if you're having like a much more of an active day, going to a theme park, something like Disneyland, having something like that that's just going to stay put and not crease is great. I did use this with a primer, and I've used it without an eye primer, so it works both ways. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in real quick. Okay, so here is the eyeshadow on my eyes, and it truly took seconds to blend out, so I think it's really pretty for a quick and easy, low maintenance eye look. So I think that's going to do it. A super quick review on the Wet n Wild Pump Keep Going waterproof, sweatproof eyeshadow stick. We think it's something worth checking out for $5 if you like to do stuff on the go, if you don't like it to be fussy, and if you like it to not crease. If you have a problem with stuff creasing on your eyelids, I really think this will stay in place for you. It's definitely worth a try. So I think that's going to do it. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Be sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, questions, suggestions. What am I trying to say? You know, give a thumbs up, subscribe. I'd love to see you back here again. And just to show you real quick, this was the swatch that I put on at the beginning of the video, and it's only been a few minutes. And it hasn't quite set. As you can see, I was able to drag it down a little bit, but it's pretty much in place. Check that out. So that was what I did at the beginning of the video, and give it a few more minutes and it wouldn't have budged. So I'd love to see you back here again soon, and I hope you have a good day or good night wherever you are. Take care. Bye.